Hey guys, it's your pal Ben here. In front of me I have a 2022 Indian Chief Bobber Dark Horse. This is featuring the 116 Thunderstroke, stock tune, stock air cleaner. Customer asked us to black out the pipes and get us hooked up with a set of blacked out mufflers that sounded good. So we ordered him black heat shields and hooked him up with these Rinehart slip-ons, and these things sound absolutely fantastic. So we're gonna fire this puppy up and see how she sounds. All right, again, so this was a 2022 Chief Bobber Dark Horse. Again, stock tune, stock air cleaner, just with a set of the Rinehart slip-on mufflers. These things sound fantastic. As far as performance goes, like I say, this is the 116 Thunderstroke. So it already has a little bit more torque than what my personal bike has. Way more torque, a little bit more power. And I'll tell you what, I'm a strong believer that the stock mufflers in these bikes really restrict the performance on these. So just stock muffler compared to these mufflers really wake this bike up. Not only do they sound great, but they really wake up the performance on these bikes. So looking for a nice set of slip-on mufflers that kind of resemble a stock look, but look great and they sound great. The Rineharts are a great option. These also are a very quality build. These are a very quality, high quality pipe. We've outfitted many customers over the years with Rinehart. Just an overall great company, great pipe. So yeah.